So as we have just discussed that the formula for current is given by charge upon time. Now what are the SI units of each? First of all, we know the SI unit for time is always in seconds. The charge is denoted in coulombs. Coulomb was the scientist who first explained all the theories about charges, and that is why we also have in higher classes electrostatic forces based on Coulomb's law. So Coulomb is the SI unit of charge. It is denoted by C. This one is denoted by S, we know that, or SEC. And the current SI unit is given by ampere. Ampere is again, it is coined on the name of a scientist called Ampere. So amperes, this is amperes, right? Apostrophe S. So ampere is the SI unit of charge. Now, if let us take back the circuit which we were doing. Filament, bulb, this is a symbol of bulb, cell and a switch. Suppose I give you that 0.5 ampere of current is drawn from this cell in 10 minutes, or 0.5 ampere of current is drawn by the bulb for 10 minutes. So time is 10 minutes. I want to know how much charge has flown from this, or how much charge has been utilized. So that means I'm asking about Q, right? So let's take all of these in SI units. Current is already in SI unit. Time 10 minutes, that means 10 into 60 seconds, that will give you 600 seconds. And charge we have to find. So from that formula I'll get charge is current into time. What is current? 0.5 amperes into time is 600 seconds. So this gives me 5 upon 10 multiplied by 600. So 60 into 5. Charge is equal to 300 coulombs. So this is your answer. This is how we'll do simple numericals associated with current, charge and time.